What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Dad Simply Cooking, where we keep it simple, we keep it affordable, and we keep it dangerously delicious. Today, we're throwing down some good old-fashioned blueberries in a blueberry cobbler. So good, your grandma might fight you for the recipe. Just to let you know, warning you now, your grandma might fight you. So just be prepared. I'm not saying she will, I'm just saying, be on the lookout. We're taking fresh blueberries, we're taking a buttery batter, that golden, crisp top, that screams, put a piece of ice cream on me, please. That's how good this is gonna be, okay? So y'all just be prepared. Let's get started. We got our blueberries, we got our butter, our flour, our sugar, our milk, our baking powder, and even more sugar. So we got our delicious, nutritious blueberries right here. All we're simply going to do, I'm going to put them in a little bit bigger of a bowl. I should have put them in the big bowl to start with. And we're going to add our sugar. And we're going to sprinkle a half a cup of sugar over our blueberries. And then we're going to add in a little bit of lemon. I didn't have any lemon zest, so I'm just going to substitute with about a tablespoon of lemon. Lemon and blueberries, they go together so good. Let me tell you. We're just going to get a spoon. We're going to mix it up a little bit, get that sugar all nice, and add it on each one of these little blueberries. Get them all nice and caramelized with that sugar. Oh, I've been craving blueberry cobbler all week long. Let me tell you. So I'm just going to mix all these up. Now, first off, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. We're going to get a pan, and in that pan, I'm going to go ahead and just lay out. I got 6 tablespoons of butter, and I'm just going to lay them out throughout the pan, just like that. That seems good to me right there. We're just going to set that off to the side. We're going to mix all this delicious goop up. Yes. Once you feel comfortable, now the other thing you can do, if you're an agent of chaos, but not a lot of chaos, just a little bit of chaos, you can add in some cinnamon, just a dash. Give it a little bit of better flavor. Why not? Oh, it smells so good too. Woo! Child. So now that we got our blueberries all nice and dashed up, I'm going to put them back in that bowl I just had them in. Keep all my flavors the same. Next, we're going to do our wet ingredients. Okay? This is going to make it so nice, good, creamy, and not too mushy like your favorite uncle after one too many beers. So we're going to add in our 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 cup of sugar, and then we're going to add in 1/3 of milk. And we're just going to mix that up. Okay. Try to get it all incorporated. Mix that batter up nice. And if it looks a little too thick, you can always add a little bit more milk. So I'm going to get a whisk. I'm going to whisk this up. Make sure you get all the sides. We're putting it all in. We want it to be good. I'm gonna add a little bit of heavy whipping cream. A few tablespoons. And then we're just gonna mix that in. I want my batter to be a little bit runny, not too much. Now, we want this butter here to be melted, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and kill 2 birds with 1 stick of butter and put this in the oven, okay? We want that butter to melt up, nice and good. Let it be running all around. Think we're partying. We having a good time. We better start our long weekend. Whew. Yes, sir. So we don't want to over stir. Now this is the thing. When we start mixing in our ingredients, we start incorporating things with this delicious blueberry cobbler. You can add other things in. You don't have to stick with a traditional blueberry. And I was one of those people, this is the first time I've ever made blueberry pie or blueberry cobbler. So I was like looking at like blueberry pie filling, and I was like, does that go in here? I don't know. And I asked my boss, I said, hey, I know your family owns a blueberry farm. You've dealt with blueberries your whole life. You grew up around blueberries. I need to know the secret of the blueberries. So, through her advice, she advised me of how to make, a person who lived and grew up on a blueberry farm advised me how to make blueberry cobbler. Hopefully this blueberry cobbler is amazing. Like I said, I've never made it, but I'm putting my faith that somebody that grew up around blueberries, lived around blueberries, and knows how blueberries work and all the secrets that blueberries hold is guiding us, our simple crew, in the right direction. Okay? That's the thing. Just heading in the right direction. Okay? And I'm excited. So excited about this, okay? So what we're gonna do, we got our delicious blueberries mixed up. They're looking nice and good and delicious. Almost failed y'all. Vanilla. We need to add some vanilla to this. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of vanilla and then another tablespoon of vanilla. Plain and simple. Boop, boop, boop. And then we're just gonna mix that up. I almost forgot. I'm so sorry. I was sitting there thinking, I was like, I'm missing something, but I'm not sure what it is. And I normally have it written down, but I'm trying to retain it. Not the best idea. But we figured it out. We realized before it was too late. So we're here. And now that's even smelling so much better, y'all. I'm going to scoop that butter up around the edges a little bit. You could spray your pan if you wanted to. I'm just going to get that butter. It's salted butter. You can use unsalted if you want to. It's up to you. I'm mainly just spraying my edges, okay? Now, we're going to add in blueberries. And I just kind of want to put the blueberries all in there. Just like that. And now, my topping. Kind of mix it up like that. Perfect. Into our oven, 350, 375. Oh, yes. Look at that. I think we did it. I think we made a cobbler. This is going to be piping hot. I already know it. Oh, my. Oh, my gosh. Look at that. Alright, y'all. I got this just for this. Bloop. Look at that. Oh. Oh. I've been craving this all week. It's time for the final reveal. Never made blueberry cobbler before. Oh, savoring this moment. Y'all, my boss went wrong. My boss went wrong. Y'all. Oh. It should be piping hot, but there's ice cream. It's melting right up in there. Oh. I could eat this whole thing. I'll have type 2 diabetes by the morning, but I could eat this whole thing. Other than that, y'all, I appreciate y'all watching my videos. We've hit almost 250 subscribers. Thank y'all so much. Know I love you. Honestly, it's so nice to know that other people are enjoying my videos. I enjoy making these videos. I'm trying to get better at it and doing different techniques, different tricks and stuff like that. I'm just trying to be real, though, at the same time. This is 10 out of 10. Would highly recommend for that simple parent, for that holiday weekend, for that fun summer picnic, whatever. Throw some bluebell vanilla ice cream up there and call it a day. Know I love you. Comment below what kind of cobblers you like. Cherry, apple, peach. Peach cobbler's a thing, though. Whew, let me tell you. What kind of ice cream you like. And know from the bottom of my heart, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all so much for tuning in, subscribing, liking, and commenting. I enjoy hearing from y'all. Thank y'all so much. Take care. God bless you. I'm out.